Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. In this video, obviously we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, but it's quite an interesting update because right now, as you can see, basically started yesterday evening already. We're dropping quite hard, quite severely, as you can see, which was not unexpected. I mean, yesterday I already said that I expected us to, from our main resistance level, between 24,000 and 23,900. I expected us to start dropping down, and then at some point I thought we would be able to break out of that level and get to our price target at 25,000. So it's not unexpected at all, but still it's when something like this is happening, you're always you'll always start to doubt whether it's still true, right? So that's why we have to cover it. Apart from that, I mean, obviously, or not, maybe not obviously, but usually what the case is that the days after the interest rate, which obviously was 2 days ago, are usually very, very volatile, and then the market is still really trying to gain some sort of sense of direction, and that's also happening right now, and that's also very well visible in the dollar strength index, which initially after the interest rate dropped down quite hard, as you can see. And then what happened yesterday is we already started some recovery. And during that recovery, Bitcoin and the crypto market was still displaying some very bullish signs. But right now, as you can see, we're back at the levels we were at. I mean, you can clearly see that we're still in a downtrend, but we have been very bullish for the last, what can we say, last 24 hours. So it was to be expected that we would drop down, both technically but also fundamentally. So now the big question obviously is can we still hold this level between, and I'm going to simplify this a little bit, but between 23,000 and 23,300. Can we still hold that? And can we afterwards still at some point get a bullish breakout and get to our next price target? Which at this point in time, excuse me, my camera is a little bit blurry. Which at this point in time, yes, I do still think so. I still think that this analysis is correct. If we take a look at Bitcoin technically, as I said, that 23,300, 23,000 level is technically fairly strong. So I think we're going to at least find some support there. That'll get us up towards 23,500, 23,700 again, so that we can kind of consolidate here. But apart from that, obviously right now we're very dependent on that dollar strength index. You can also see that, well, first of all, as I said earlier as well, dollar strength index is still in a downtrend. That really does mean something. Now, apart from that, you can see that we've broken above this resistance level we had right here, but we're nearing some other strong, that's a fit level. We're nearing some other strong resistance levels as well right here, for example, at around $102. And I think at some point we are going to find resistance again with the dollar strength index, at which point we'll also get bullish momentum from Bitcoin. So I think it still lines up very well. Now, obviously, if we do not manage to hold, initially 23,300, then the situation gets a little bit more difficult, because then what will happen is that we'll just get back into, I'll make this a little bit prettier, then we'll just get back into the consolidation we were in between this level right here at 22,500 and 23,300. So this could very well happen. As I said, it's not my most likely scenario at this point in time. But yeah, it's a possibility. I'll keep you updated on that, of course, in these daily Bitcoin updates. But for now, my analysis as it was yesterday still stands. So yeah, if you have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.